The Congress party is all set to make these announcements, guarantees for the people. The Congress party will be announcing these guarantees through its leaders for Delhi. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is likely to make the first announcement, the first guarantee. That announcement will come in today, after which the Chief Minister Telangana will also be releasing the other schemes, along with him Ashok Gehlot, the former Chief Minister, as well. So Niyamika, in the previous elections, it has been Rahul Gandhi who has made the guarantees to the people in every state that they've gone into the elections. This time around, the strategy of the Congress party to bring in the Chief Minister seem to be aimed at also speaking about the fiscal possibility of it, especially considering there are a lot of questions being asked. The guarantees are being given, but can you really execute it?
Well, indeed, as a lot of questions were being asked earlier also by the BJP as well as by the Aam Aadmi Party, the manner in which the Congress party had made these promises ahead of the assembly elections in various states, whether it is Himachal Pradesh or Karnataka. And for that reason, the manner in which a financial crisis is being faced by the Himachal Pradesh government in particular, that is one of the lesson which is being taken by the Congress party. And that is the only reason why before making these announcements, before making these guarantees to the people of Delhi, they are also going to make sure that they believe that the Congress party will implement these promises on the ground. And that is the only reason why all of these top leaders have been asked to address this press conference, in which they are also going to make sure that the people believe that this is the manner in which the Congress party is going to implement these schemes on the ground, how the budgetary allocation will be done if the Congress party will form the government in the national capital, as that is the only reason why these experienced leaders have been chosen by the Congress party to address these press conferences, in which they will also explain that how they are implementing these schemes in their respective states. As D.K. Shivakumar is also going to make the brief about the Karnataka state government policies, how they are also implementing these schemes on the ground, whether it is about the cash transfer to the accounts of the women of Karnataka. And similarly, a scheme is also going to be promised by the Congress party in the national capital, in which the Congress is expected to make a promise of around 3,000 rupees to the women of the national capital. As earlier, it was the Aam Aadmi Party who had made an announcement of 2,100 rupees for the women, and to take it to a next level, the Congress party is expected to announce at least 3,000 for the women of the national capital. But how they are going to implement it, it is going to be briefed by the top Congress leaders in these press conferences.
Okay, all right, Niyamika, stay with us. A lot